5 speaking rules to help you learn English. 1. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving your spoken English. Engage in daily conversations, even if it's just with yourself, to build your confidence and fluency. 2. Listen actively. Pay close attention to native speakers, whether it's through movies, podcasts, or real-life conversations. This will help you improve your pronunciation and understanding of natural speech patterns. 3. Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary is essential for effective communication. Learn new words and phrases, and try to use them in your daily conversations. 4. Speak slowly and clearly. When you're speaking, especially if you're a beginner, speak slowly and clearly. This will help you articulate your thoughts and make it easier for others to understand you. 5. Receive feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from native speakers or teachers. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your speech. Remember, learning a new language takes time and patience, so be persistent and don't be discouraged by mistakes. Over time, your spoken English will improve as you continue to practice and apply these rules.